Step 6. Create motion for the sun in Photoshop software. Open Photoshop software. Open video file just rendered in Step 5. Temporarily turn off timeline mode, window, timeline. Create a new layer and drag it to the top. Add text to the diagram. Refer to SketchUp file, enable tag name SunPath. You can add stroke to text to make it more visible in diagrams. Merge all layers into one object for easy management. Convert to Smart Object and name it. I named it SunPath. Turn on Timeline mode, window, timeline. Drag the timeline bar of the SunPath to the same length as the video 12's. Drag the sun object into the file sun.png. Then resize it to fit the diagram. You can make the sun object a little transparent. Drag the timeline bar of the sun object to the same length as the video 12's. Click the clock icon and transform to save the keyframes. The video is 12 seconds long, which represents 12 hours. The start point of the timeline corresponds to 6 a.m. The end point corresponds to 6 p.m. And the midpoint corresponds to 12 p.m. Simple with 8 a.m., 10 a.m. to p.m. for p.m. milestones. Press play on the timeline to see the results.